What's up, you guys? So here we are in my dining room. I took the furniture out because I'm gonna paint. But yes, this is the other part of what I wanted to do to put the finishing touches on my home. I wanted to do like long gray and white stripes in this room. So hopefully it looks good. I think it's gonna look good. We shall see. Funny. Oh. She don't want a man, she just want a bag, yeah. She ain't gotta boast, she ain't gotta brag, yeah. She keep it 100 on the dash. Okay, I had to put on my sweatshirt and get comfy. Okay, here we are. My favorite place ever. Saturday turn up. Okay, let's go see what they have. Funny. Oh. So I'm so excited. Never sleep on the clearance section in IKEA. I was gonna get these frames right here. I wanted like big, fancy looking giant picture frames in my living room because it just makes it look so, like you'll see, it's gonna look so nice. So I got these, and these were like 24 or 25 each. Came over to clearance, found these for $9.99. So I'm just gonna switch these out real quick. Don't you just love it when a plan falls together? This is the type of thing that makes me so happy. You guys have no idea. This is the type of thing that I live for. Okay, you guys, I don't know what the hell happened. It's all wrinkled. It looks like a big blown up, like you just printed like a fuzzy picture out on your printer and blew it up. I'm gonna show you guys the other one that I ordered. Well, it was a different company, but still, it was such better quality. This one I am so mad about. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to fix these up, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it because I'm not wasting my $3.99. Okay, so when you turn the posters over, they're also all wrinkled, but I thought the pattern was actually kind of cool, much better than what was on the front. And they're this like shiny metallic silver that's not so bad. So this is actually the back of the picture. And I think what I'm gonna do is actually frame these posters backwards. And I have some spray paint, so I'm gonna put some designs on them. It's nothing crazy. I am not an artistic person by any means, but I'm just gonna do something super easy and simple that anyone can do, and try to see if I can make these pictures look like they were expensive. Funny. Oh. Okay, so the white didn't really work, so I'm gonna use the same paint that I used in my dining room and throw it all over, and that'll be a way to make it match too, I thought. All I had was this chopstick. Funny. Oh. She don't want a man, she just want a bag, yeah. Okay, so here's my beautiful, gorgeous masterpiece. Now all I have to do is sign my initial. You can just call me K Picasso. K Picasso. Little K Picasso. Something like that. Let's see. Where will I put my name? You guys, my neighbor watches me do all type of weird shit. I wonder what he thinks of me. Okay. Perfect. Okay, let's see what this looks like when it dries. My pictures are all dry. I'm just gonna frame them, but I just wanted to show you guys. This is the other one that I ordered from Amazon. This one was like $12.99, and then I put it in the $10 IKEA frame that I found earlier. But you can just see this one's like way better. I don't know what happened with the other one. Funny. Oh.
don't want a man, she just want a bag, yeah. She ain't
Not
gotta
bad.
She ain't gotta brag, yeah.
Not bad, I must say so myself.
Funny. Oh. She don't want a man, she just want a bag, yeah. She ain't gotta boast, she ain't gotta brag, yeah. She keep it 100 on the dash, yeah. She be on the go, she be on the gas, yeah. She ain't never looking back, yeah. She ain't never worried about the past, yeah. She be running up a tab, yeah. She be all about her cash, yeah. She don't play no games. I'm telling you that she ain't with the games. If you running games, stay away. Cause she not with the games, yeah. She ain't playing games. I'm telling you that she ain't with the games, no, no. If you running games, stay away. Cause she